what's interesting about Bitcoin is that it's a living economics experiment. And so you can see that people don't jump because they because you have the first mover effect, because the way network effects work, people have kind of stuck with Bitcoin, even though, they've stuck with Bitcoin relative to other altcoins. And so they haven't become terribly valuable. Just on the question of who controls Bitcoin, you can see where every node on the Bitcoin network is. You can see who is mining relatively. You can get a sense of who's mining the new Bitcoins, who are the people who are propagating the information on the network. It's many more than 3 people. There are something like 6,000 nodes on the Bitcoin network. You could go home and join your computer into it, and it would download like 30 gigabytes of data, and you'd be part of the Bitcoin network. It is the mining process is one in which you need really good hardware, and so it's tended to be more centralized over time. And right now, probably more than half of the new Bitcoins being created are being created in China. Probably not by one Chinese person, probably by a lot of people who have a cousin at the municipal office who will give them a free electricity line into their server farm, because electricity costs are actually what determine whether you make money mining Bitcoins. And so there are a lot of new Bitcoins going to China. It's not 2 people, it's many people. But there is actually
it's not 3 guys.
There is a concern. There is a concern within Bitcoin that it is becoming too centralized. That is a real issue. Is when does a decentralized system become not decentralized anymore? Because it was obviously advertised as decentralized. And the thing is, one of the interesting things about Bitcoin and every other system is the way it tends towards centralization. But it's not 3 guys. It's maybe 500 people.